Over the past 17 years, Legacy Woodworking Machinery has worked with thousands of woodworkers around the world, providing affordable and innovative solutions for artisans building fine furniture, custom cabinetry, and high-end architectural components. Working with professional woodworkers, Legacy has identified 9 common problems that almost every business will face. In tough economic times like these, solutions to these problems can become critical for survival. When dealt with wisely, solutions to these problems will not only keep your company viable, but allow you to grow and expand your market. The most common problems facing most shops are limited supply and cost of skilled laborers, high cost of engineering time, high cost of setup time, limited shop floor space, high cost of outsourcing, the need to diversify into new markets, bidding jobs accurately, limited capital for equipment purchases, and shop safety. After carefully analyzing these 9 challenges, Legacy worked closely with custom and limited production shops to develop the OM5 series CNC milling centers. Let's take a close-up look at how Legacy's solution to the basic 9 can give your business a competitive edge, expand your market, and help grow your business even in tough economic times. Limited supply and cost of skilled laborers. Finding dedicated, skilled employees can be one of the greatest obstacles to growing a business, especially in tough economic times when controlling cost is critical. Legacy's OM5 CNC mill can significantly reduce your operating expenses by not only improving efficiency and performance, but also reducing your need for expensive skilled laborers. A typical 5-year lease on the Legacy 9611 by 48 breaks down to only $5.63 per hour. When you compare this fixed cost to the salary, taxes, and benefits of an employee, you can easily see how CNC automation can benefit your bottom line. High cost of engineering time. What does it cost to get your job from the design phase to production? Legacy has built the OM5 CNC around the standard G-code platform, which has been around for over 40 years. There is a plethora of CAD/CAM programs that allow you to quickly draw your parts and then convert the drawing to toolpaths and generate the G-code to control the OM5 mill. Legacy has taken this process to the next level with the OM5 Conversational CAM. By simply entering certain parameters, you can go from concept to production in just a few moments, working from a simple sketch. High cost of setup time. Legacy's OM5 Milling Center will eliminate the need for custom fixtures and templates. You can quickly generate programs to cut out parts and then add details such as joinery, carving, or ornamental embellishments. Rough stock can quickly be machined to size, greatly reducing the time spent in stock preparation. Limited shop floor space. Legacy's unique approach to CNC combines the functionality of several machines into one. In this one machine you can turn traditional round spindles like a CNC lathe, plus with Legacy's exclusive 5-axis turning configuration, you can easily produce turnings that feature ornamental embellishments, as well as functional operations such as joinery on parts even if they are on a taper. Plus, you can process sheet goods. A standard CNC lathe spins the turning blanks at high speeds and then uses a fixed cutting tool controlled by 2 axes to turn the part. Several problems are inherent in this type of turning system. First, the parts must be balanced, or the runout multiplied by the high turning speeds will result in spindle whip that will not only affect the quality of the cut, but can be extremely dangerous. Second, the fixed cutter is scraping or cutting against the grain, leaving a cut that generally requires a considerable amount of sanding. And third, you are limited to round profiles. Legacy's OM5 Milling Center uses a spindle with a rotary cutting tool to mill the contours and details. The spindle rotating the stock is slowed considerably, reducing spindle whip, which results in a smooth surface that can quickly be sanded by the machine. The OM5's 5-axis capabilities allow you to mill spindles that are either round or multi-sided cross-sections. These parts can be straight or tapered and can feature ornamental details such as flutes, reeds, spirals, designs, and carvings. You can also add functional operations such as milling joinery. A traditional CNC lathe cannot give you this amount of control and design capabilities. The OM5 CNC mill can perform standard 3-axis operations for nested parts and sheet processing, including cabinet standards, panels, custom moldings, stiles, rails, stretchers, and 2.5D carving. You can also nest both sheet goods and spindle parts to increase productivity. The OM5 Milling Center performs the same task as several standard CNC machines, saving you valuable shop floor space. High cost of outsourcing. One of the best methods for increasing market share and expanding your business is to provide specialized designs and components. A cabinet shop producing the same basic cabinets as every other shop is usually forced to compete on price, reducing profits and crippling its ability to expand. By producing custom components in-house, you can match the wood to your project and have complete freedom to design the components that your customer wants with quick turnaround. The need to diversify into new markets. The OM5 Milling Center allows you to easily create affordable, custom and semi-custom components, allowing you to expand your product line and reach new markets. Bidding jobs accurately. Properly bidding a custom piece of furniture or cabinetry keeps you from working for free. The OM5 software will estimate your run times for each part, allowing you to accurately calculate the manufacturing cost of each component. Limited capital for equipment purchases. Investing wisely in equipment is paramount to the success of any business. You obviously need to get the best possible return on your investment dollar. Legacy's OM5 Milling Center is the most versatile woodworking CNC on the market. For the cost of an average 3-axis CNC table, the OM5 Milling Center also gives you CNC turning capabilities as well as 5-axis ornamental turning and milling capabilities. It's like purchasing 3 machines in one. One sound investment practice is to let the machine pay for itself. Legacy works closely with several lease finance companies that provide competitive interest rates and flexible terms. Cash flow is the lifeblood of business. When budget dollars aren't available, purchases are often put on hold, stifling the progress of the company. The only people who benefit are your competitors. Shop safety. This problem is often overlooked until it's too late. Accidents in the shop can cripple a business, compounding production loss with the medical bills, not to mention the cost of liability insurance or the nightmare of a lawsuit. Legacy's OM5 Milling Center allows the operator to stay clear of the cutting tools during operation. When turning posts or spindles, the part rotates at a slow speed as the rotating cutting tool removes material, providing a much safer environment than a traditional lathe that spins the stock at high speed. In the past, CNC has been used by woodworking shops to perform 2 basic functions. A 3-axis CNC table has been used by cabinet shops that need to quickly and accurately cut out sheet products such as cabinet standards. This type of machine allows you to nest parts and machine the joinery as well as drill holes. A CNC lathe automates the turning process for round spindle work. Legacy's OM5 ornamental mill takes CNC to a whole new level, combining CNC turning with 5-axis ornamental turning and milling, as well as 3-axis milling and sheet processing into one powerful solution for your woodworking business.